Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Let's continue our series, which is Laravel 6 for beginners from scratch. In the last video we installed XAMPP as our server environment on our local machine, which gave us Apache, MySQL and PHP, and we also installed our code editor, which is Visual Studio, and today we will install Git Bash as our terminal. We will use Git Bash to install Composer and Laravel. Okay, so let's start with Git Bash. You just need to visit to git-scm.com and go to the download page, and you can easily download to Windows. If you're a Mac user, you probably don't need to do this step. You get a very good built-in terminal. Untick this one and finish, and let's check if we have Git Bash, and yeah, we got Git Bash here. So if we run it, we got a Git Bash terminal. I leave it open. Right, next step is to install Laravel we need Composer on our computer, and Composer has to be system-wide vendor bin in the system-wide vendor bin directory. To achieve that, if you are a Windows user, you go to the download page and you just need to run the exe file, and that's done. It's gonna install it for you as a system-wide component, but you can install it on Windows or on Mac OS with these command lines. You just need to copy it, paste it here in your command line and run them. And as you can see, for Mac OS you can make Composer as a system-wide with this command line. So again, you just need to copy, paste the command line, run it, and that's it. Also you can find it for a Windows user, but I do it the easiest way, so I'm gonna download this executable file, which is downloaded already. We don't need developer mode. Yeah, it's automatically recognized that we already installed XAMPP, and it's filed the PHP folder and the PHP exe file. So all we need to do is click next. You can skip this, install. Next, finish. So if we did everything correctly, then we can run now Composer command from the terminal. But first of all, we need to close this one, open a new, type in Composer, and you get all the available commands for Composer. And if we open it in a different folder, like for example in our new blog, what we just created in a previous video, again open it, Composer, and we got all the commands. So as you can see, it's system-wide, so you can use it from any folder now. Okay, so the next step is install Node.js, and you can install the most recommended version one or the latest. I will install the latest. Just hit OK. Next, we accept. Next, it installs it into the program files. It's OK. That's it. And install. Right, so we have everything up and running to finally install Laravel on our computer, which we do in the next episode.